Car cleaning gels have grown in popularity in recent years due to their unique formulation and efficacy at removing dirt, grime, and stains from various surfaces, both inside and outside of the car. Their putty-like consistency allows them to get into small crevices that can be hard with regular cleaning methods. 1. Putty-like cleaning gel for car. The putty-like cleaning gel is another great solution for cleaning air vents, as it's specifically designed to clean these difficult-to-reach spots. Its patented formula catches and removes dust and even crumbs with ease. The extraordinary adhesive texture of this putty allows it to get deep into every crack and small space, and crack and cranny, ensuring a comprehensive cleaning experience. Another advantage is its non-toxic and eco-friendly composition, which ensures safety while successfully removing allergens from your vents. One customer explained, "I will say it does a great job in getting into the slats of the car vents and even the speaker grills." 2. Color Coral car cleaning gel. Color Coral is an excellent representation of what a car cleaning gel should do. It offers an eco-friendly way of cleaning the interior of a car without leaving behind a sticky residue on the surface. The lemon-scented car cleaning gel will surely make your car smell pleasant when you are done cleaning. The multifunctional car cleaning gel can even be used on keyboards, calculators, vents, air conditioners, television, and other appliances. Color Coral also offers a money-back guarantee in case of issues with the product. 3. 5-Joy car cleaning gel. This 5-Joy car cleaning gel is highly versatile and can clean a range of surfaces. It is perfect for cleaning any nook and cranny of your automobile. This biodegradable gel is made of environmentally friendly ingredients such as natural vegetable gum and glycerol. The car cleaning gel also gives off a pleasant scent when using it. Moreover, 5-Joy makes sure this gel does not stick to your hand so that it is not a nuisance to handle. This gel is reusable and can clean any surface or appliance such as laptop keyboard, printer, game console, TV remote, speaker grills, fan grills, and vents. 4. TICARVE car cleaning gel. The TICARVE car cleaning gel is built with high-tech cleaning material that effectively picks up dust, debris, hair, and crumbs from any creak or crevice. With only a slight push, this car cleaning gel can sink into any tight space that conventional cleaners cannot physically reach. You can also keep reusing this gel until its color turns completely black. Available in a variety of scents, this car cleaning gel will not only clean surfaces but also leave behind a pleasant smell when you are done. For your convenience, this gel is designed to ensure it does not stick to your hand. This car cleaning gel can also be used on appliances at your home and workplace. 5. KAR4KLEANER car slime. This product readily goes beyond its intended purpose, demonstrating exceptional efficacy in a variety of household cleaning activities. Notably, it excels at removing pet hair, making it a popular choice among pet owners. A customer wrote that it is easy to use, and picked up fine dirt and pet hair. Its malleable and sticky structure effectively lifts and removes pet hair stuck on furniture, car carpets, and other surfaces. Its non-toxic and safe formulation provides peace of mind while extending beyond the car, making it an excellent tool for keeping a clean and pet-friendly home as well. 6. DNA Motoring car cleaning jelly. DNA Motoring car cleaning jelly is a high-quality tool designed for universal car cleaning. It is perfect for getting into vents and crevices to pick up debris, hair, and crumbs. Made from eco-friendly and reusable cleaning material, this cleaning gel can be used multiple times. It is not only suitable for automotive use, but also for cleaning PC keyboards, printers, cell phones, calculators, TV remotes, and furniture. The gel is easy to use. Simply press it onto the surface and then pull it out slowly to effectively remove dirt and grime. With DNA motoring car cleaning jelly, cleaning your car and other surfaces has never been easier.